Hello, I'm Danny Perez, and this is the installation guide for the VR training welding project by Danny Perez and Marcel Castro, Team 9. So first things first is you go to the GitHub link that will be provided in the video description or in the final documentation for the project. In here, you'll be able to clone or download the project. So once that's finished downloading, you just need to extract the VR welding folder from inside of the zip. Inside of this folder is another folder with the same name and the .gitignore and .git attributes. When we go to open the project, we open up Unity. At this time, we were using Unity 2019.2.4 F1. For later versions might not work with the project, so if you're going to be working with this project, you might want to be using this version. So you open it up, you open up the project, you choose, so see, here's the GitHub folder, we go into VR welding, and then we select the VR welding inside. It has no dash in the name. And we wait for that to open up. Once the project opens up, you should be seeing this. This viewport is where you'll be editing and selecting game objects to change the properties of. In order to mess around with the assets of this project, they'll be located in the assets folder. Pretty much every folder will contain stuff from the scene except for the MRTK folder. This contains the virtual reality kit that we used in this project. You won't really be using much of the things in here. Many of the things will be in the scripts and in the 3D assets. This scene that's open right here is the main scene. The other two scenes were just used for testing. In order to run the project, you just press the play button up here. This is where we can move. Oh, it's loading. This is where we can move the camera, pan around, look at the different objects in the scene, and if we hold space, a VR simulation hand comes up, and when you click, it grabs things. Those are the two most basic controls. Besides that, all you need to know is that in order to rotate objects, you hold space, you hold the mouse button to grab it, and you hold control. Once control is held, you enter rotate mode, and from here you can rotate objects. Also, if for whatever reason the MRTK, the Mixed Reality Toolkit by Microsoft, is giving you any trouble or any trouble in the console or any missing plugins, you can go to the link in the description of the video to get started with MRTK. Thank you.